Being surrounded by water, it's easy to take it for granted. We know that when we turn on the faucet, we're going to get clean, safe drinking water. We know too that our wastewater is going to be treated properly and safely in an environmentally sensitive way. This is the story of water, more specifically, our water, and the dedicated men and women who provide it to you each and every day. Did you know that the water we drink is the same water that was here during the time of the dinosaurs? Quite amazing if you think about it. Here in coastal Georgia, you can find water most anywhere you look, in rivers, streams, marshes, and of course, the ocean. But our water doesn't come from those sources. It comes from below the ground, more specifically, the Floridan aquifer. The process begins here, at one of 16 water production facilities. These facilities are located within the county. Many of our water production facilities include a well, pumping station, fresh water treatment, and ground storage tank. Many facilities have their own generator to ensure fresh water delivery during power outages. Others are set up to accommodate portable generators. Most of our water comes from the Floridan aquifer, a vast limestone formation that runs under our entire area. According to Water Compliance Coordinator Billy Simmons, the raw water we use is among the purest you'll find. Because of its purity, our raw water requires minimal treatment with chlorine, fluoride, and phosphate. The water is aerated and held in one of 20 storage tanks, having a combined total capacity of more than 7.5 million gallons. The treated water travels through more than 700 miles of distribution pipes to homes, businesses, and industry throughout our service area. From the average household to the largest factory and everything in between, we consume a lot of water, around 8 million gallons a day on average. After we consume it, that water must be treated before it can be returned to the environment. When wastewater leaves your home, business, or factory, it enters the sanitary sewer system, approximately 500 miles of collection and force main lines that serve more than 27,000 accounts in our service area. Our sanitary sewer system utilizes gravity and force mains to move wastewater from consumers to one of 3 water pollution control plants. Here's how it works. Sanitary sewer lines are placed at a grade, allowing wastewater to flow downhill from one location to the next. The wastewater flows into a lift station, like this one. Here, wastewater is pumped or lifted to a higher level and sent on its way to the next lift station or water control plant. There are 150 of these lift stations located throughout our service area. In all, our sanitary sewers carry an average total of 8.3 million gallons of wastewater each day. The journey ends right here at the Academy Creek Water Pollution Control Plant in Brunswick, one of 3 wastewater treatment plants in our system. The job of the Water Pollution Control Plant is to process and treat water like this, so that it can be returned to the environment like this. The wastewater goes through a number of steps, including grit removal, biological processing, clarification, digestion, and chemical treatment. The treated process results in 2 byproducts, an environmentally safe liquid or treated effluent, and solid waste or processed sludge. Treated effluent is returned to the environment, where it begins the cycle all over again. This treated effluent is constantly monitored to ensure that it meets or exceeds Federal Code of Regulations and all state and local health and safety standards.
We are good stewards of the environment here at Academy Creek Wastewater Treatment Plant. Although we are mandated by EPD, in order to produce a good effluent, we meet and exceed those limits on a day-by-day basis.
Sludge disposal is accomplished through a process of belt pressing to remove excess water and drying the remaining solid material at a high temperature. The dried sludge is granular in nature and is used locally as a soil amendment for landscapers and farmers. This helps the environment by eliminating landfill waste. With more than 1,000 miles of underground water distribution and sanitary sewer pipes, 21 wells, 16 production facilities, 9 elevated storage tanks, 11 ground storage tanks, 3 wastewater treatment facilities, 7,500 manholes, 7,000 fire hydrants, and 27,000 water meters, system maintenance is mission critical.
Well, we maintain our current level of service by first of all having a good response team. If someone has a problem with drainage or they don't have no water, then we have an on-call system that allows people to respond to that and try to take care of the problems as fast as possible.
Our systems pumping and maintenance superintendent, Ray Tarker, oversees our maintenance program that focuses on 2 key areas: the day-to-day repairs to maintain our current level of service, and a long-term asset management program designed to identify and replace worn facilities and provide for future growth and extending infrastructure life cycles. Just like their colleagues in the field, our customer service representatives are dedicated to providing prompt, friendly, efficient service. Whether you are a new customer setting up an account, an existing customer, or a commercial customer getting ready to build or open a new facility, all are backed by a management team and a board of directors who are appointed and elected representatives from our community. Their mission is to make sure our water systems run as smoothly, safely, and efficiently as possible, protecting our investment today and into the future. So the next time you draw a cool glass of water from the tap, remember, our water and sewer system is more than just miles and miles of pipes, plants, storage tanks, lift stations, and offices. It's people. People like you and me, dedicated to a common goal, providing Brunswick and Glynn County with dependable, efficient, and economical water production and wastewater treatment now and into the future.